Dapat. Wala pang palakpak. It's truly inspiring to see all of you gathered here today, as in all our past assemblies. Most of our chapters come from outside Metro Manila, with even some coming as far as Visayas, and even sometimes from Mindanao. But notably, all the Metro Manila chapters are all represented here from Batangas, Laguna, Pampanga, and all the others. Thank you for taking time out to attend our General Assembly. At the heart of today's discussions are three critical topics that hopefully will shape the future of our industry. The property market outlook will be presented by Colliers Philippines. They're here. The emerging opportunities in retirement real estate as championed by the Philippine Retirement Authority. And of course, last but not the least, the recognition of the new graduates of our Certified Residential Specialist or CRS course, which is a milestone in professional excellence under the strong global alliance of CREBA and the National Association of Realtors of America. That is the CRS course. This will be the first graduates of the CRS specialist course. The property market outlook, insights for growth. We are privileged to have Colliers Philippines share their expert analysis on the trends, challenges, and opportunities shaping the real estate landscape today. First and foremost, probably they would be addressing and clarifying the challenges that most of us are facing today. Their insights will guide us in making informed decisions as we navigate market fluctuations and evolving consumer demands. While global and local economic factors continue to influence property investments, we remain optimistic that the Philippine real estate sector will be able to sustain its resilience and long-term growth. What comes to mind is the 1998 real estate experience, where we were able to bear that experience and flourish after which. The potentials also of the retirement real estate. With the Philippines being recognized as one of the most attractive retirement destinations in the world, we must capitalize on this vast potential. The Philippine Retirement Authority, whose efforts to position our country as a prime retirement hub, align perfectly with CREBA's advocacy for sustainable and exclusive real estate development. By integrating world-class retirement communities into our urban planning, we can cater to a growing market of foreign retirees and Filipinos looking for a high-quality, secure, and affordable housing solutions. They will update us on the trends and the new policies and existing programs of the Philippine Retirement Authority, which is hopefully will help us fuel growth in the next few months. Celebrating professional excellence, CRS recognition rights. This event is also a moment of celebration as we honor the first and newest graduates of the Certified Residential Specialist course, the CRS course. Their dedication to continuous learning and adherence to global best practices exemplify the highest standards of professionalism in our industry. As you embark, the graduates, on the next stage of your careers, we all encourage you to uphold the principles of, number one, integrity, service, and excellence that CREBA and the NAR and our noble real estate profession always stands for. CREBA's commitment to a stronger industry. As the national organization representing the majority of real estate developers, builders, and allied professionals in the country, CREVA remains steadfast in its commitment to advocating pro-development policies, promoting ethical business practices, and fostering collaboration among stakeholders. We continue to engage with the government, private sector, and other international partners to create an environment where real estate industry can thrive and contribute meaningfully to national economic development. At the last inquiries conducted by the Committee on Housing in Congress, and this was just a few weeks back, CREVA spoke strongly about the operationalization, of the Housing One-Stop Processing Center, the HAPC, envisioned after the creation by the SUD as a game changer in circumventing the incessant delays in the issuance of housing-related permits and licenses, including the release of titles which are detrimental to the industry and to home buyers. Our CREVA Board of National Directors met earlier this morning to solidify our position on pressing industry issues such as balanced housing compliance, the Maceda Law, national land use, and potential changes in fiscal incentives for housing under the Parade Law, and many others for the industry to more adequately respond to housing challenges in support of the goals of the SUD. This early, we ushered in the new sets of leaders also in our various chapters in Davao, Cebu chapters. We hosted 2 Realtor events in Manila and Cebu, while also our EdPrem courses are growing even stronger, fostering meaningful connections and business collaborations. EdPrem is really growing in leaps and bounds. Soon, Vice President Abe Acuña will be announcing the good news for EdPrem graduates who wish to obtain a BSREM degree. It's a very seismic announcement. We will have that later, and we will ask VP Abe Acuña to do the honors of announcing. This March also, VP Andy Manyala is leading a delegation of Filipino CRS designees. So the first batch of designees or graduates can probably accompany Vice President Andy Manyala, and of course volunteers and other CREVA members are also invited and encouraged to probably see for themselves firsthand what this collaboration is all about. There is an event called Celebration event in Nashville, Tennessee. Nashville, Tennessee, the home of Elvis Presley and Dolly Parton. Yeah. So that will be fun. So delegates coming from CREVA, headed by VP Andy, will represent us all there. So we're going to have fun there. It's a celebration. And so together also with Vice President Joe Yumul. Joe is there, very active. Huh? We take this opportunity to also invite all of you to Clark on April 22 to 26, where the CREVA Clark chapter, led by Mr. June Alsona, is hosting the Central and North Luzon Regional Conference and Expo together with CDC, or Clark Development Corporation, as the main partner, up with a fun tournament by the CREVA Golf Club. May kasamang golf pa to. Mr. Flor Opresio and Mr. Lito Pantillo will be heading the organizing committee for the CREVA both in class. So, calling all golfers, please come and join us. Before I close, let me express my deepest gratitude to all our resource speakers, organizers, sponsors, and participants who will help make this event possible. Your unwavering support and active involvement always fuel our vision of a dynamic, progressive, and sustainable real estate industry in the Philippines. As we build on this momentum, I encourage each of us to take an active role in shaping the future of our industry. Be part of our focus group, discussions, and committees. I encourage everyone to do so. Please volunteer your time, your skills, your services. We all need that as an industry. The next few months will bring even more opportunities for growth and collaboration and policy breakthroughs. Ano lang, recess lang ang Congress ngayon, but as soon as the new set of congressmen are elected, we will be barraging them with amendments on existing laws that will help our industry. Thus, we invite all of you to continue to elevate TREVA's influence, drive meaningful change, and contribute to a thriving real estate sector towards our goal of a home for every Filipino. Mabuhay ang TREVA, mabuhay ang industriya na real estate, at higit sa lahat, mabuhay po tayo. Maraming salamat.